Let's start this match in 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow. Quite a violent thunk. It's 4097 drops along with 3058. 4097's placed themselves in that crater. I don't think we're going to see much of them for this autonomous phase. 3058 looks like they're stuck to the lander. 8610 looks like they're in the same predicament. Oh, they've managed to get themselves off and park themselves right into that depot. 6712 still stuck on the lander, though, as we move to
Driver, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And we begin. 4097 gets themselves out of that crater real fast as 3058 manages to get themselves unhooked from the lander along with 6712. 3058 gets 2 silver minerals into their depot. 8610 seems to be having a technical issue and they can't get their robot to start. 6712 moving and getting minerals into their corner depot. 4097 has pulled out their grabber and is starting to move those minerals high up into the air so they can be dropped into the lander. They're setting up to drop both a silver and a gold. Oh, and the silver goes into the wrong side, but the gold does manage to go down. 8610 also using their grabber to start dropping gold minerals into their team side. 8610 seems to be keeping 3058 out of that crater. Ooh. 4097's got 2 silver minerals, and it looks like they're setting up to drop them in the red side of the lander. And that's 2 in. 8610 gets 2 silver minerals out of their crater. And that's an extra 2 for the Blue Alliance. 4097 grabbing again, another mixed bag. These are pretty difficult to get in the way you want them to. 3058 seems to be parked in the corner, 10 seconds to the end game. Oh, and that's a clean drop from 4097. It looks like they're working out those extra minerals as 8610 claims 2 silver for the Blue Alliance. And we're in endgame. 6712 getting straight to the point, working to try and latch themselves. 8610 dropping a pair of gold minerals into the blue side. 3058 lifting themselves up. Looks like they're off the ground. 8610 also trying to pull themselves up. We have 10 seconds left. 6712 pulling themselves up. Let's see if 4097 can match. It looks like they're struggling. 3, 2, 1. And it's over. For qualification 4 are up with the Blue Alliance taking the win with 188 to 125. I think what definingly put them up